just need to know who you really are. You are special. You're talented. You're passionate. You're smart.
During this whole virus thing, we need to start practicing opening doors without our hands. The easiest way to do this is to start using other parts of our body.